Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you all these flavored Lubans. So these are from the same company known as Al Amaraya, and these all are the Lubans. And you can see this is the strawberry flavor. The first one is strawberry. This is normal fresh Luban, low fat. This is mango flavor Luban. This is fresh Luban again, low fat. This is normal fresh Luban, full fat. This is rich and creamy Luban. So the all flavors are from the same company. I'm having one glass with me, which I'm gonna show you by adding each flavor one by one in this glass, and let's see how it turns. So I'm gonna start with the strawberry one. So this is the strawberry Luban, and it is made from 100% pure cow milk, and the beautiful strawberries are over here. They have mentioned all the nutritional information about the product, and let's not waste much time. Let's open it. Quite nice sealed bottle, and here we goes. You can see the color of it, light pinkish in color. And I'm gonna taste separately also and let you know how it tastes. Very nice. Strawberry taste is there, amazing. I like it. So it will go over here, and now I'm gonna open this low fat fresh Luban. It is known as Vital, and low, light and refreshing vitamins and calcium, no powder added. So all the nutritional facts are mentioned over here, their inquiry number and all the ingredients, comments and all, whatever is there. So let's open it. It looks beautiful, pure white in color. I'm gonna taste it. Very nice. It seems like there's a little bit of salt, but it's not there, but it seems. So now I'm gonna pour this also into it, and I'll mix all of these in one glass, and at the end I'm gonna invent new flavor, you could say. Now it's time for mango. Over here is the mango flavored Luban, made from pure cow milk. All the ingredients and nutritional information, the company's email ID, Facebook and everything is over here. And this is a product from Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So this is produced in Saudi Arabia. Let's open it. Beautiful yellow in color, amazing. I'm gonna taste it. Very nice, very nice. So let's add it. So we are done with 3 bottles. Now it's the 4th one. It is fresh Luban with added vitamins from 100% pure cow's milk, which is low fat, and the pack size is 180 ml. Every pack size of these bottles is 180 ml. All the nutritional information, queries and everything is mentioned over here. Let's shake it and let's taste it. This is low fat one. Nice. It is quite similar to the second one which I tasted. Quite similar. So I've poured this also in it. Now it's time for fresh Luban with added vitamins, 100% pure cow milk, which is full fat. So this is the full fat, 180 ml. All the nutritional information, everything is mentioned. Let's open it and taste it. Nice, very nice. So here it goes. I think these which have no other flavors, you can add sugar if you want some taste to it, or salt, whatever you like. So this is the Baladi rich and creamy Luban. Pack size is similar. All the information is mentioned. It's very creamy. As I can see from the above, it's very creamy. It's like too much cream in it. Let's add it. Too thick. This one is very thick. So again, the same line is there. Now with the help of spoon, I'm gonna stir it. I want every flavor to just mix and blend, and some new interesting will be here. So let's taste it. Now I'm gonna taste this. Very interesting flavor, guys. Seriously, means it has taste of every flavor which is laid down in front of you, and it is definitely the best because it has strawberry taste, it has mango taste, creamy texture, very tasty. So I believe they should also make this Luban by adding all the flavors. That is amazing. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more such videos, and just tell me how it looks like. I have written my channel's name, Carlo. So if you like it, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more such videos. Thank you, friends. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.